people decide. So that's fine. We agree that people should decide what kind of government should come and all. But how do they decide, and who are the people whom they send to the parliament? So see, it is not possible for all of the Indian population to go to the parliament now. So you can suppose, you can imagine what the situation will be if all the people of India will go to Delhi to participate in the parliament. So that is not possible at the practical front. So that's why we choose representatives, people and their representatives. So we are the people and we elect the representatives from our areas or our cities, and then that representatives go to the parliament. So like this, from all over India, you know that in the Lok Sabha we have total of 545 seats. Okay, and out of that, two are already they are nominated by the president, and we are left with 543. So from pan India, 543 constituencies, 543 members of parliament are sent to the parliament from different sections of the society, from different areas of the country. So we believe that people are supreme in democracy. Why people are supreme? Because it is the people who are deciding what kind of government will come, and we are the people who will decide who has the right to vote. So we are supreme in democracy, you can say that. And in a democracy, the government as well as other public institutions need to have the trust of citizens. Very important. So just see the example that if any government is there and they are working properly, and the results can be seen to the citizens of the country, so that means they are gaining the trust of citizens, and citizens would be happy to choose them again. But if the government is not working properly and no improvement can be seen, so the citizens will stop having the trust in that kind of government. So that will lead to lose of interest. So in a democracy, the government as well as other public institutions need to have the trust of citizens, because we are the people, we are supreme in the democracy. So the government which is coming, which is forming, they need to have our trust. So trust of citizens is very important in forming the government. So you can say that people is equal to government, because we are electing, we are forming the government, and without people, if no people is there, then no government is there. So people is directly proportional to government. But how does the individual give approval to the government? Now the question comes, fine, we agree that people form the government, and people, fine, we agree that people are directly proportional to the government. So but question arises that how does the people, how does individual give approval to the government? How do we give approval to the government? It is not possible for all of us to go to the parliament and sit over there and participate in the decision making. Do you think it is possible? No, not at all. So we are participating, we are giving approval to the government through elections. Okay, so the people, they are casting their vote, they are taking part in the elections. So through elections, they are giving approval to the government. And after elections, people elect their representatives in the parliament. So see, if from any area, and suppose from India, people are voting and they are electing their representatives. So now those one group out of the representatives forms the government, that is the majority party. For example, from all over India, that 14 representatives are from the BJP and 8 are from the Congress. So which is the majority party? Obviously BJP with 14 numbers, that is the highest number. So they are the majority party. So that group will form the government. Okay, so in this we have studied that people are supreme in democracy.